Okay, so let's look at this limit that we have here. It is saying that if this is equals to e, then we should find this. Okay, so let's see how we are going to go about that. We have the limit as x approaches 0, a power x minus 1 all over x, like this. Okay, and so here we have to do some transformations. So we can just see that let y equals to a power x minus 1, and so we have y plus 1 equals to a power x. We can take ln of both sides, so we have ln y plus 1 equals to ln a power x, and so this will imply that we have ln y plus 1 equals to x ln a, to imply that our x is equals to ln, so I can just say that therefore x is equals to ln of y plus 1 all over ln a, like this. This is what I wanted to do. Sorry. Okay, so now we have this for the x. Okay, so now we are going to substitute this x in the question that we have. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of a power x minus 1 all over x, like this. Okay, and so from here we said let y be this. Okay, now as x goes to 0, as x goes to 0, what will y go to? Y will go to 0. Okay, now let's come back and substitute the x first. So we have, but we said this one was y, so that will be limit as this time y goes to 0 of y all over this value is this, so that's ln of y plus 1 all over ln a, like this. Okay, and here we know that we can write this as limit as y goes to 0. This is actually ln of y plus 1 all over so it is y divided by this. Oh, sorry. So this is just arithmetic. Okay, so algebra. Sorry. So you have y ln of a all over ln y plus 1. Okay, so we can have something like this. Okay, now from here, what do? We need to do some manipulations. We'll let this y come down here. Okay, now by doing that, we have limit as y approaches 0 of ln a all over 1 over y ln y plus 1. You know this y can go back and multiply, so writing it down here means we just want to write it as a fraction. And we can also do this limit as y goes to 0 of ln a all over y power negative 1 ln of y plus 1. Okay, either we leave it this way or leave it this way, all are correct. But we know by the laws of logarithm, we can write this limit as y goes to 0 of ln a all over ln of y plus 1 power 1 over y, like this. Any number that comes here can go here. That's the laws of logarithms. Okay, and so right now, what can we do? This is actually for this. Okay, so we can then take let's say taking the limit, can take the limit of lane A up here all over, taking the limit of this. So we have limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y power 1 over y, like this. Okay. But if you go back to the question, we were given this. They said the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 plus x power 1 over x is equals to e. And this thing is of that same format. Look at it. So this will equals to and this is just a constant. Okay, the limit of a constant is a constant. So that's just lane A all over lane E, because the whole of this is now E. Okay, and this will imply that we have lane A as our final answer. So we can then see that therefore the limit as x approaches 0 of a power x minus 1 all over x is equals to lane A. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.